Hey everyone, today is July 27th, 2019, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And in today's video, I'm making my Subaru BRZ louder. So in today's video, I'm finally installing my aftermarket front pipe and over pipe on my BRZ. And I've had these exhaust pieces for about 8 months now, but just never installed them. And as of right now, I have an Invidia N1 Catback exhaust with my JDL unequal length header. And I've had this set up for more than a year now, and I'm ready for a change. So I'll be heading to my friend Tony, his shop. He'll be helping me install these exhaust pieces for me, and I'm excited to make my BRZ sound awesome. Finally installing my front pipe and over pipe by Speed by Design. My front pipe has no catalytic converters on it, but it does have a resonator, and that front pipe's going to be awesome. It's going to make airflow flow a lot better, and it's going to be a lot louder. So I'm heading out right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'm really excited for my BRZ to sound different. I've had my same exhaust set up for about a year now, and I'm ready for a change. And let's get going. Alright guys, so I finally took off my Rally Armor mud flaps on my BRZ. I've had those on since I pretty much got my car, and it does make my car look a lot more sleek now. And I'll show you guys what my car looks like, and I'll back it up right now, and we're going to head to put on my front pipe and my new over pipe on my BRZ. So this is going to be my last day with this exhaust setup, and I do have my Invidia N1 Catback exhaust with my JDL unequal length header, and I'm definitely keeping my JDL header. I may be swapping out my Catback exhaust, and this will be one of the last accelerations with my current setup. Guys, pulling up to the shop right now. Finally getting this front pipe and over pipe installed on my BRZ. And we'll check out what cars he's working on here. Alright guys, at the shop right now, at my buddy Tony's shop. We have the BRZ on the lift right now, and he'll be installing my front pipe and over pipe for the BRZ. And I know it's hard to tell now, but without my Rally Armor mud flaps, the car looks a lot more clean right now. And we have these pieces right here, front pipe, over pipe here, and with the over pipe having a bigger diameter, I should have a deeper tone to the car, which is going to be nice, and it's going to be louder because no catalytic converter, but it does have this resonator here. And I'm excited because it's something new, because I had the same setup for such a long time now, and it'll make it more exciting driving this car. Alright, so another car that Tony has in his garage that he's working on is this Evo right here. And he's actually doing a full engine rebuild on this, which is awesome. And this Evo is really clean. Take a look at the front of this. Looks so aggressive with all the carbon fiber everywhere. Looks so nice. He's doing a full rebuild for this. Really clean car. So once we take out my stock front pipe, I want to compare my stock front pipe to my new aftermarket one, because the catalytic converter on the front pipe is so big, the stock one, and it's going to open airflow so much. I'm excited to hear what my BRZ is going to sound like after these are installed. So Tony just took off my stock front pipe and the over pipe here, and I'll compare the stock front pipe to the aftermarket one. And if you look at that, obviously the quality of the new one is much better, and look how massive this is. This restricts airflow so much, and this over here as well. And obviously there's no catalytic converter on this, just a small resonator right here. We'll get a nice sound to the car. And the stock over pipe too, it's a lot thinner than my new one, and it's gonna make it sound a lot better. The new front pipe right there.
Gaskets on with new bolts.
Yeah, that looks good. The new front pipe is installed, and the new over pipe right here is installed on the BRZ. I'm excited. Now I have my Speed by Design front pipe, over pipe, Invidia N1 Catback with my JDL header, and I'm excited to see how this sounds right now. And it looks a lot more clean. The airflow is going to be a lot better too. I'm excited to hear how it's going to sound. Alright, so Tony just finished up doing my front pipe and over pipe for the car. We'll be putting this down right now. And I don't think it's going to be a cold start, but we'll definitely see how it sounds when we start it up here. And it's going to be fun doing this drive back. I wish I should have brought my GoPro with, but maybe my next video, or maybe later in this video, I'll put a GoPro over the exhaust and we'll see how it sounds. I do have my pop tune with my open flash tablet right now, and the pops are going to be so much louder. Not sure if it'll spit flames or anything, but the pops are going to be so loud. Oh wow, it sounds so good. Holy shit, it's loud. That sounds good. Oh, that sounds so good. I should have done this a long time ago. My new front pipe and over pipe by Speed by Design on my car. It sounds so good, and I'll get some out of the car revs once we get home. It sounds so good. It has a deep rumble. With that new over pipe, it has a really deep rumble to it. It sounds so good. So we'll get some accelerations right now. Alright guys, so the BRZ is looking awesome right now, and I have my new exhaust pieces on the car, and my car looks so good without the mud flaps. Looks really clean. We'll get some exhaust clips from inside the car and some revs from outside the car right now. The car is a lot louder, but has a deep rumble to it, and it sounds so good. Pops are so loud right now too. Got some good exhaust clips here, get some accelerations with the new setup. It sounds so good. So loud. Oh my god, this pops. And it has a really low, deep rumble to it. It sounds so good. My car will shoot flames now. I have no catalytic converters, just that one resonator. Loudest my car's ever been, but it sounds good. Oh my god. Just got back from our first drive with the new setup for the BRZ, and it sounds so good. It is a lot louder, but it does have a deep tone to it. You really do hear the unequal length headers with the car. And my car does look a lot cleaner now without the mud flaps. Looks really nice. And I couldn't be any happier with the exhaust. And honestly, the N1 exhaust, the Invidia N1 Catback, does sound pretty good with this setup right now. I may swap it out, but as of right now, I do love how it sounds. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm sorry I didn't get any GoPro clips today. In my next video, I will put a GoPro right above my exhaust, so I'll get some exhaust clips from that. And the pops for this car are so loud right now. And what I'll do is I'll do a night drive, put the GoPro right on top, and see if I get any flames out of my exhaust pipe. And please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new setup and how it sounds. And I know the camera doesn't do the sound justice, but it does sound so good. It sounds amazing. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.